Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see sent follow request on Instagram. All right. There's no straightforward way here in the app, but don't worry, I'll show you a workaround. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the Instagram app. Go head over to your profile. Now tap on the three dots right here or the three horizontal lines at the top right. Just tap on it. Now go head over to Account Center. Tap on it. Now in here, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on Download Your Information. Tap on it. Tap on Download. Select the account, Instagram. Next. Some of your information. Wait for it to load and scroll down. Okay. Until you find Connections and tap on Followers and Following. Hit on Next. Download to device. Date range, maybe last year or all the time. Okay. Hit on Save. Leave everything right here as is and create files. Wait for it to load. Okay. And it says here your information is being prepared for download. We'll let you know when it's ready. Okay. So basically, if you close this one, all right, and if you wanted to check if it's ready, go ahead over to the same set of steps right here. Three dots, Account Center. Then Your Information and Permissions. Download your information right here. As you can see, it is still under request. And as you can see here, I've done this multiple times before, but it was for messages and the follow request. Okay. It might take some time. Just patiently wait. All right. Give it an hour or two. Then go back to the same page right here. Then there will be a download button. Okay. Make sure to tap on it. Just open up the file from your file section right here on your phone. Okay, like this one. Then go ahead over to downloads and look for the Instagram folder. Okay, open up the folder and open the connections folder. And once done, open up another folder that is named followers and following. Okay, and look for pending follow request. Tap on it and it will open up a web browser that will show you the list of your sent follow requests on Instagram. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.